शिक्षा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Hi, my name is Akshat Mathur and I am a student of the 5th batch of IIM Bodh Gaya. I am a graduate engineer in the field of information technology and I did my engineering from Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial College of Engineering and Management, Lucknow. This is my friend Anshuman Bhattacharjee and he'll be giving an introduction about the college and the batch.
Okay, hi, I'm Anshuman Bhattacharjee. I'm also from the 5th batch of IIM Bodh Gaya and I'm from Guwahati, Assam. I'm also an engineer. I completed my engineering in electronics and telecommunication. So about IIM Bodh Gaya. IIM Bodh Gaya is an institute of national importance as it is an IIM. It is situated in Bodh Gaya, which is in Bihar. And the first batch of IIM Bodh Gaya was in 2015, and since then three batches have passed out, and this is the 5th batch. The 4th and the 5th batch are currently studying. So the 5th batch, that is our batch, we have 116 students, and they are from various backgrounds, various educational, regional, and gender backgrounds. So now, my friend Mathur, Akshat Mathur, he will continue with the placement scenario.
Okay, so talking about the placements of IIM Bodh Gaya, since it's 3 years of the passing batches, the average placement and the placements of IIM Bodh Gaya have actually risen at a very good rate. So for the third batch of IIM Bodh Gaya, the highest package was 16 lakhs per annum. If you talk about the median package was 10.6 and the average package being 10.9 lakhs. So I am also a member of the placement committee and my task is to carry out all the placement related activities, coordinating with the internal committees of the college and handling the relationships with the HRs of various revered companies and I also very recently was a part of the organizing team of Gyanodaya 2.0, which was the HR conclave conducted by our college, and there were plenty of astute senior HR personnel who came from various companies. Some of them were Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Chauhan, who is the head. We also had Mr. Rajkumar Gupta, who is the head talent acquisition at Tata Consultancy Services. He also was a part of the HR conclave. We also had Ms. Surbhi Sanchita, who is the head HR for Barcode India Limited. Talking about the placement committee, the placement chair at IIM Bodh Gaya is Mr. Baljit Singh Sani. We also have a training and placement officer, Mr. Harsh Khanna, who plays a major role in guiding the students when it comes to all the placement processes that take place in our institute. Talking about some of the companies that come to IIM Bodh Gaya, so in the recent placement season, there were plenty of major corporations that visited, which includes companies like Fujitsu, Maruti Suzuki, VLCC.
Hi guys, I'm Kunj Tripathi, student of IIM Bodh Gaya. I've done my bachelor's from IIT Guwahati in electronics and electrical engineering.
And I am Amlan Meher and I have done my bachelor's from Veer Surendra Sai Institute of Technology.
I am Rishikesh Lingat. I completed my graduation from Srinagar College in Pune.
So IIM Bodh Gaya is 4 years old. 3 batches have already passed out and we are the 5th batch. IIM Bodh Gaya is located in Bihar state. It's a remote location but a very peaceful location and the land of true knowledge. So this college is growing very rapidly and the faculties here are also playing a major role in it. To list some of the few famous faculties, we have Professor Prabhat Ranjan, who finished his PhD from IIM Kolkata. We have Professor Baljit Singh Sani, who did his fellowship from IIM Indore.
Also, we have Dr. Saman Saurabh, who pursued his graduation from IIT Guwahati and his post-graduation from MIT.
We have some visiting faculties, very amazing visiting faculties such as N. Shivasankaran from I am Ranchi, who is now currently working in Accelerate Jamshedpur.
We have Dr. Pulak Mishra, who's an economics professor from IIT Kharagpur.
Yes. So the faculties are very knowledgeable and the way they teach us is very amazing. The pattern, the pedagogy that is being followed is that we are given a lot of cases. The study is based on cases as well. So whenever we learn about new concepts, they are being taught from theory as well, and a lot of cases are taught as well. This way,
And add to it the assignments that we do.
yes, how can you forget about the assignments? So many assignments, so many group projects, but all that leads us to learning things in a much better way. We get to know about the actual scenario that is going on in market. We even are forced or we are told to go to the market and collect some data, gather some data about marketing and other
That
stuff.
was really fun.
Yeah, that was actually fun. So that helps us understand the actual market scenario. So that is
And also during group activities, we exchange knowledge between the peers, and we get to know each other very well on a personal and as well as on professional level.
So very high weightage is given to assignments and project work. Apart from that, a lot of class participation is encouraged. We are having a good amount of overall grades dedicated towards class participation. And it's not just straight up that you just go into the class and say something, then you get the marks. You need to increase the value for the class to gain the marks of class participation. That is something that is making us put in a lot of more efforts and learn things ourselves in a better way.
A lot of cross questioning happens, and like that kind of puts us under a certain kind of pressure, but it actually helps us get through and evolve through that pressure, and makes us like.
But we can say that, right? The
Yeah.
pressure is what makes a coal a diamond, right?
So here we have a tri-semester concept, and in each trimester we have two quizzes, one mid-sem exam, one mid-term exam, and one end-term exam. And these quizzes and assignments actually help us grow because they are live, sort of live projects, because we solve cases
Yes.
which belong to the current market.
And even the midterm and end term structure is not rigid, that we have 1 hour midterms and 2 hour end terms. They are very flexible, so each professor can have their own time duration for a particular exam, so that he can modify or he or she can modify the questions in terms that we are able to show that how we have learned the concepts. So this way it helps us in understanding and growing very fast. The pedagogy that is being followed over here is extremely helpful for us in growing, and we look forward to seeing I Am Bodh Gaya on high charts very soon.